Hello everyone, this is Erik Pridemore, and in this post, we're going to tell you about construction projects. In this post, we'll tell you where they are, and I'll not give you any sports and weather. In this post, here where all the highway projects are in Oklahoma and in Texas. And we'll tell you about one which we'll tell you about. Hear them all on Pridemore's post. And hello, this is Erik Pridemore. And here's the news on these projects. As you've seen on the CBS 12KXI TV website, or actually the web channel, the Calera Highway project to begin this week. Here's the details. Construction is set to start this week for the Calera Highway project. The project is for U.S. Highway 75 through Calera to not only minimize the traffic, but to also improve the safety. Now, northbound, it's also with US 69 there. Now, northbound US 6975 will be narrowed to one lane near Chickasaw Road, which is the turnoff we make to go to Durant, to Calera and Durant. It is from 8 p.m. until 7 a.m. nightly through Thursday. Now, Calera Assistant Chief of Police T.J. White said the police will be present during the construction and remind all drivers to be cautious. The construction signs were put up on Thursday to start the construction this Monday. And we need everybody to be mindful that there's going to be a lot of construction workers out there, and to slow down and to stay off your phone and be careful coming through, White said. Police said the speed limits have changed in construction areas for the safety of the workers. And that's one thing you'll hear in the news. Now, here's our next... Excuse me, here. Next one here. Here we go. There's now a section of Crawford Street in downtown Denison will be closed this week for the construction. Now, the city says they are shutting down the 4300 block of West Crawford Street in Denison for drainage repairs. Now, detour signs will be posted for the drivers. The length of this project is unknown, as it were, so you all have to pay attention. And if you're going into Cole County, there is some road work on highways 3 and 75. A major highway in Cole County will be down to one lane starting this Monday. ODOT, which is the Oklahoma Department of Transportation, has said U.S. Highway 75 will be intermittently narrowed to one lane daily between Colgate and the State Highway 3 junction northwest of town, which is just far east of Tupelo, or southeast of Tupelo. Now, the lane closure comes as part of a resurfacing project, which lasted through July, and this is why they got the work done up. The flaggers will be directed on the traffic. Drivers are asked to avoid the distractions and pay attention to the workers. And getting the highway redone. If it were to go 4 lanes from there to Ada, it would have worked. And go across the county line to Atoka County from Cole County. And the Atoka County roadway will be closed starting next month for construction. Now, the officials say the Boggy Depot Road will be closed for construction. from the U.S. Highway 69-75 intersection at the traffic signal west of the Tushka School's baseball and softball fields. Now, the county commissioners did say the access to the will be given to those who live on the south side of the road, as well as the RV park. Construction on the stretch of road is expected to be finished by the start of this school year. Going back, now the county commissioners say they closed the road to cut down on construction, so the school buses will have access to the stoplight by the time school is back in session. So it's already happened. And we continue on on our construction. Earlier this year, you may hear Old Highway crews did begin work on the highway through Davis, just east of Interstate 35. My uncle Classy used to go through there. It was back in June. For the people who drive on Main Street through Davis, had to expect some delays as crew began to rebuild and resurface the road from 3rd Street to 10th Street, a 7-block stretch, which is towards Sulphur. During the Tuesday, they begin to rework the section of State Highway 7, which runs through Davis, hadn't been resurfaced in over a decade, and crews had to patch up potholes every month. And the fresh foundation of pavement through this town is going to be done up. Concrete road from 4th to 10th Street. Asphalt will be from 3rd to 4th. It's going to be project, $3.5 million project. It's going to be done with ODOT. 12 new fire hydrants, everything else. And for those going from Bonham to Honey Grove, U.S. Highway Route 82 will be widened to 4 lanes. And then the rest of the project will go from the Highway 56 junction to all the way to near Paris, Texas. Well, you all figure out that's the one that's going from 78 to the 56, and then from 56 all the way to the near west side of Paris. Well, when the new 4-lane project gets all done, it's going to be quite different. And we want to say to all of you, recently, the downtown Denison was left without one business, which was destroyed. Let me stop everything for a moment. Mute. Recent news was, as those of you know, 3 families lost their homes in the Denison Main Street fire when upstairs lofts were burned with the building. And we all are heartbroken. We're going to bring you this little clip from News 12's Meredith McCown. I can't turn this around. Let me turn this around to all of you. If you'll get me over here. Oh, I can't get this moving. See me? Can't get this moving. We'll get this machine going here. We're going to have an audio-only clip. Y'all listen.
3 families lost their homes in that fire when the upstairs lofts burned down with the building. News 12's Emily Tabar spoke with 2 of them today and tells us how they plan on moving forward.
It's something that you don't maybe worry about, but until it actually happens, you don't know, the depth of what has to, what you're going to have to do.
Brad Nixon and his wife Lysandra were inside their Main Street loft when the fire started Wednesday.
We grabbed our wallets and phones and headed out the front door. And just, the rest of the day we just kind of watched things burn. And worried a whole lot. What was the future going to show for us?
They just moved in about 4 months ago, so Nixon says most of their furniture is still in storage.
We plan to stay in the area, but what exactly we're going to do, it's hard to say.
The Nixons are one of 3 families who were left homeless after the fire. They're staying in a hotel until they can find a new home. Another family who lived next door is staying with family in the meantime.
Right now, it seems really unreal. Looking at the pictures, it's weird to think that my bedroom is where it caved in.
Michaela Ross, her husband, and 3-year-old daughter Matea say the community stepped in to help when the flames destroyed everything they owned. Several different businesses, groups, and people in the community have been quick to meet their immediate needs, like gift cards, food, and clothing.
I don't have the words to thank people enough. I feel like I just immediately want to give them something back because they're just being so selfless.
The people of Denison have given them hope in getting back on their feet.
It just reminds me how much I love Denison and how much of a community we really are.
In Denison, Emily Tabor, News 12.
And we're going to have prayers for the family. And thank you all for hearing more about it. And thanks for following me on my YouTube channel to near 50 subscribers. We'll see y'all later.